Duromar SAR is a 100% solids aluminum oxide-filled epoxy putty designed for rebuilding and protecting surfaces against severe corrosion, erosion, and chemical attack in industrial environments. Duromar SAR is supplied in 1 kilogram packs comprising Part A hardener and Part B base, with a mixing ratio of 1:2 by weight, hardener to base. Step 1. Combine 2 parts base, Part B, with 1 part hardener, Part A, and mix evenly until the material attains a consistent gray appearance. Step 2. Apply the Duromar SAR uniformly on the metal plate, using a softener for smooth and even application.